So this is a very important thing if you are looking to basically turn on the template feature on Gmail. It's very simple and easy. What you need to do is you need to log into your Gmail account, then go to settings. After going to settings, you have to go to advanced, and after going to advanced, there will be an option called templates. You have to enable it, and then you have to click on save changes. It is very vital you do that, and the page will refresh. Then if you are looking to send an email to someone, for example, if you click here, then the option will come up here in the lower right hand side. So here you can see when I click on compose, a new email will open up where on the right hand side you will see the template option here. Because I do not have any template saved, so what I will do is I will create a template right now. So I have created the template here itself. It's very simple and easy. Now I want to save it. I will click on more option, templates, and then I will save draft as template. So I will click here, then save as new template. I will click here. So here the title of the basically the the title of the email, or the what do we call, the subject of the email will be the template name. So you can save it here. So once I'm done with it, if I want to send it again, if I want to use the template again, what I will do is click here, templates, then the template will show up here, then I will click here and the template will show up. Then I can send the mail to whoever I want to send. So this is how you can turn on the template feature on Gmail very easily.